Welcome to the Doug and Nikki Outdoor Technology Studio, where we are going to play with the drone today. That's right, we are going to unbox, set up, and then fly and review this new Holystone 720E drone. Then I'm going to come back, I am going to give you a Doug score from 1 to 5, so you know how much I like or dislike this drone. So what do you say we start unboxing it? I'll talk to you a little bit about it while we do that. This drone is like a high-end, like your first real kind of drone. Is that a sentence? Drone. In any case, it will shoot in 1080 at 60 frames a second, so you can get some cool slow motion images. It has an adjustable camera, which is actually electronically image stabilized. It's not a 3-axis gimbal, but it has stabilization software within the camera. Comes in this cool hard box. Check that out. Is that cool or what? Let's see what's inside of it. Dun, dun, dun. I'm excited. I am really excited. I love drones. Let's see what we got. Woo, look at that. First sight of the drone, and that thing is neat looking. You open that up and that is like really nice. It is like Christmas all over. Let's see what comes in this package here. This is where the batteries are. We have 2 batteries which have about a 23-minute flight time from what I understand. Oh, spare blades. That's really nice. That's a nice value add there. You got 4 sets of blades. Some screws for the blades is what you need the screwdriver for. These are the batteries, which have a runtime of about 23 minutes each is what is estimated. And finally, you have a charger, which I have heard in reading up on this, that this is USB-C compliant, which is great. I am so tired of regular USB stuff, so USB-C is good. Comes with the cable, that is a nice thing. Here is the remote. Let's just go through. Oh, this feels really nice. You got your lock button. You got on the top, you got your toggle between camera and video, high and low flight, as well as a light on the bottom of it. This is what you use to adjust the camera position up and down. And this is a return to home button and take off button. Very simple, very straightforward. Oh, and then also, antennae out, and then once the antennae are out, we can also, this is the phone mount for your FPV. How cool is that, phone mount for the FPV? Okay, one last thing before I go charge some batteries and fly it. Let's take a look at the piece itself. Woo, look at this. So it comes with instructions on which to open first, which to open second. I think normally, I'm not even gonna read it. They always open to the rear first, then to the front. You open the rear first and then the front. Here is the camera. Here is where the battery goes in the back of it. I'm gonna take that out so I can charge it. And this is a really neat piece. Obviously it comes with, it records on a micro SD card. So a couple key features and then we'll charge it up. These are the lights for the bottom and the sensor for your optical flow. The camera, which toggles up and down, power on and off. And then obviously I showed you where the battery goes. So I'm gonna go charge it up and then let's fly it and see how it goes. One other item I almost forgot. Glad I did not, because I was about to rip into it myself. So I've been flying drones for a long time, all kinds of stuff, and it is so important to read the instructions and familiarize yourself with the drone, because everyone is a little different. So I highly recommend that you read the instructions and know what you're doing before you try to fly it. Hey, while I show off some of the things you can do with this drone and some of the image quality, I wanted to tell you about some of those key features that this Holystone HS720E drone has. It is full 4K capable, which is just awesome. It has 5G transmission, so you have a nice solid communication with your drone. It has EIS, which is electronic image stabilization in camera, so you have a nice sputtery smooth video. It has GPS auto return, which is so great. Every once in a while they kind of do wacky things, and it's much nicer when they fly home instead of flying away. Comes with a carrying case. You can fly for up to 46 minutes with the 2 batteries that come with them. It has brushless motors, which are much more durable than the basic motors you get in a drone. And it also has follow me functions, which is so fun when you're doing selfies in your own home videos. In any case, I think you'll love this. Let's go talk about it. Okay, so here you go. You got a straight up comparison between my GoPro Hero 9 Black and the drone. Hovering right over the GoPro might actually be a little in shot for the GoPro at this point. But in any case, this drone has to be a full 5 out of 5 on the Doug score for awesomeness, or 4 out of 4 rotors for this FPV drone. We'll see you next time.